minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
First.
1 minute to mill time.
Riley's on the water. Ron Foster's on the water. Mike Moore's on the water. Dave Hilton.
45 seconds
It's
to
a blue
mill
boat,
time.
Dave. All boats are on the water. All boats are checked in.
30 seconds to mill time. Seconds to mill time.
It's going to be a battle. Time until 30.
29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
Looks like 2 orders have been in.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, clean start for everybody. Looks like Dave's in first. Moore's in second. Fossil in third. No, here comes Riley. Oh, here we go. Everybody's got one. Oh, look at Moore's coming for you. Dave with 2. Michael Moore. Here comes Riley. Is he going to shut the door? Oh, Riley makes a move. Now he's gunning for Papa. Oh, Daddy better shut the door quick. And he does. Oh, tugboat on Mike Moore. Tugboat on Mike Moore. That's Ron Fossil in third. We got Riley in first, Dave in second. Ron in third, Mike owes me one. Come on, old man, let's go, push him.
Final lap. Final lap.
Final lap, can we get another chance? Ah, here comes Dave. Here comes Ron. They both dive in. Who's coming out? Oh, another Ryan, Dave, Ron. Mike has one more. Let Mike through. Let Mike through. He's still racing.
Final lap.
Bring it home, Mike. You got it. Bring it to the finish. All right, Mike, you can cut the course and come on in.
Jam racing done.
All right, excellent race. That was Riley, Dave, Ron, and Mike.
Next Mono. P3 of 3. Race order is Bob Martin, Rich Taylor, Dale Roberts. Russ start.
Boaters, start your engine.
All right, I hear Dale Roberts started.
1 minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Russ Stark has started. All boats have started. Mr. Roberts is on the water.
Rich Taylor.
We got Rich Taylor on the water.
1 minute to mill time.
Bob Martin.
Bob Martin's on the water. Look at Sue, that pit woman. She's awesome. Let's give her a hand for Sue.
Mill time.
All boats are on the water.
Russ start.
13 seconds to mill time. Seconds to mill time.
All right, easy, easy.
22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Hold your lane.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Clean start all the way around. Dale Roberts out in the lead, followed by Russ, followed by Rich. Whoa, Russ, take a dump. All right. Watch that dead boat going. Oh, we got two dead boats. Watch out. One in, 1, 2, and the other one's way out there. See them? There you go. Good job, Rich. All right. That's 2 for Dick, 2 for Dale. Dale's going for a record. That's 4 for Dale.
Final lap.
Last lap. Dale, that's the finish. All right, when Dale passes you, why don't you just come up? All right, now you're running. All right, go ahead, cut the course. I'll give you the second place.
The race is completed. Up next, race number 4. GX2 Catamaran. Heat 1 at 1. Race order is Dave Hilton, Ron Fastlow Jr., Jam Racing, Michael C., Jim Feener,